What's up, guys? It's Brandon. What I have here is the $250 Xbox Edition SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wired gaming headset. Now, will it work on the PS5? Let's find out. If you're in the market for it, an gaming headset and you want to go with the SteelSeries one, just get the Xbox edition rather than getting the PlayStation edition, but I'll explain that later on in this video. So let's go ahead and check out the side what you get included. 2 USB-C to USB cables. You get the main cable for the headphones. You get the connection setup. This will work with the PS5. It even says it on the box. They do have a PS5 and PS4 version of it, but the box is different color. Disclaimer: SteelSeries did not send me this gaming headset. I did purchase this gaming headset with my own money. But yes, if you're in the market searching for a new gaming headset and you want to know which one to go with the SteelSeries, the Xbox edition. The reason why is with the PlayStation edition, there's 2 versions of this, and there's also a $350 headset, a wireless version. I went with the wired just to have a better latency connection. The PlayStation edition of this version only works with PlayStation, PC, and Mac. The Xbox edition works with Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Mac, and Nintendo Switch. Go with the Xbox edition, you won't be wrong. But if you do want to get yourself one of these, I'll leave a link to it down in the description box down below, a little affiliated link. So if you do use my link, it does support me and help out the channel. What do you get all inside? I also ordered some Wicked cushions to switch out the cushions right here. I ordered these for the headset. Real simple to put on. If you want to get yourself some of these, I'll leave a link down to the description box down below. Another little affiliated link. They do work and they're very comfortable. I used to use them on my HyperX. The overall design right now of the microphone, you got this little piece that comes off. It's a little magnetic. You can switch out the cover on both sides. All right, cool. The wireless one has one where you can put the battery inside right here. So in one of the sizes. On the left hand side of the thing, you have the retractable microphone, which is right here. You have the volume up and down, and you can mute the microphone. The hinge of the headset, pretty decent. I like it. Okay, let me see. Let me adjust this to mine and see how it feels, even with the beanie on. Okay, yeah, I do like it. Pretty simple. You do got the retractable microphone. It does retract, so you can just place it right here. That way you can get all that. You want to place it back. Even with the beanie on, fits decent. Okay, they're not too heavy. I like it. Pretty awesome. So let me know what you guys think about these. What gaming headset do you use currently for your gaming console? And unfortunately, no, I don't have an Xbox. That's the reason why I got the Xbox edition. If I ever do get an Xbox down in the road, the headset still works. But yes, the Xbox edition does work with the PlayStation. The PlayStation edition only works with PC and PlayStation. So these are pretty clean. I like them. The Wicked cushions right here, I'll show you real quick that I will be installing. Just some nice little color. These are the Freeze replacement earplugs, 90s black edition. So I will be installing those. So the way you connect this to your PS5. So once you have it out the plastic, and then you want to take one of your USB-C to USB-A cables, plug it in to the USB port that's right here. See if you guys can see that. See the back of the station right there. You got line in, line out, USB, and Xbox. If I ever get an Xbox, I got an extra cable for the Xbox one. That's pretty great, pretty awesome, pretty long cable. And you want to take the USB-C and plug it into the USB back of the station, just like that. Take your USB, plug it into your PlayStation. And now, good thing with the PlayStation having so many ports, I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna plug mine in. So just before we connect this to the PlayStation, if you wanna know how to set these up using Streamlabs on a Mac, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be gladly to bring that video to you guys. Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Don't mind the under construction cable management. Right now we're on the road to changing the whole gaming setup for 2023. Got a new standing gaming desk that's here. I gotta set it all up, gotta change the room around, paint it, so don't mind the gaming setup. But yes, so we're here down here with the PS5. Got too many controllers down here. Yeah, it's a good thing with the PS5, you don't have to use the front because it has extra ports on the back, which frees up the front. This right here, I just use for the front for an extra plug-in ports. This is a little adapter for the PS5 where you can have extra plug-in ports such as more USB-A ports, a USB-C port. So, because the two in the front was not enough. I'll leave a link to one of these down in the description box down below if you want to get yourself one. If you want to get yourself a PS5 skin and put it on your PlayStation like I did, whatever, I'll leave that down in the description box down below also. New gaming setup coming soon, remodeling coming soon. Stay tuned for that. I'll leave links to all this stuff down in the description box down below if you want to get yourself some of these things. Got too many controllers down here. Make sure your PlayStation is turned on. But I will go into a depth video later on if you guys want to see a full review. So if you do want to see that video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Let me know in the comment section down below. What else do you want to know about the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wired gaming headset? Is it a good headset? Right now, yes, it's one of the best headsets out there. So would I recommend it? Yes. So if you want to get yourself one, links will be down in the description box down below. If you want to test it out for yourself, whatever one that you do order, make sure you get the Xbox edition because you can use it on all platforms. Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Mac, Nintendo Switch and everything. If they don't have that one, you have to get the PlayStation edition. Just get that still. Let me know what you guys think about this headset. Is it a good headset? If you have one of these or what gaming headset that you are using currently, I will show you guys more stuff coming up. YouTube thinks you should watch this video right here next, and I'll catch you guys over there in that video. Take care, everybody. God bless.